Flat glass tempering furnace with forced convection system and passing section. This tempering furnace max work-in size is 3,660 mm by 2,440 mm. Minimum working size is 300 mm by 150 mm. Glass thickness is 4 mm to 19 mm. With this lifting table to move heavy glass easy. The ceramic rollers in the heating section is Ken Roller brand. The reciprocating motion ensures stress resistance of tempered glass. Infrared sensing system ensures safe glass transportation. All electrical components are world-famous brands such as Schneider Electric, Oberon, and Siemens.